The excitement in the drone world is rising again. DJI is preparing to launch its next small yet powerful camera drone, the DJI Neo 2. After the hype surrounding the Mini 5 Pro has finally cooled down, attention has quickly shifted toward what could be DJI's next compact hit. Leaks, test images, and certification details all point to the fact that this new model is closer than we think, and it's packed with improvements that could make it one of the best mini drones of 2025. The first DJI Neo, released in September 2024, was a surprise success. It wasn't just small and portable, it delivered incredible value, making drone flying more accessible to beginners while still being versatile enough for experienced FPV enthusiasts. Now, the Neo 2 aims to build on that formula, fixing its few weaknesses like battery life, low light instability, propeller noise, and wind resistance. New design and sensor upgrade. A new leak has revealed that the DJI Neo 2 will include a Class 1 laser safety label, indicating the use of an advanced infrared distance measuring sensor. This laser system, also seen in the DJI Flip, suggests the Neo 2 will feature 3D infrared obstacle detection, with a range of up to 8 meters. To accommodate this sensor, the drone might sport a slightly raised top section, allowing room for better environmental awareness and collision avoidance. An impressive upgrade for such a tiny drone. Recent test images posted by drone enthusiasts showed what appear to be 3 DJI Neo 2 prototypes being flown by DJI field testers. From these glimpses, it's clear that the front of the drone is larger and more pronounced, matching earlier predictions that DJI redesigned the body to fit enhanced sensors. It's also worth noting that DJI went to great lengths to hide certain parts with tape, suggesting secret new tech is being tested inside. Improved battery and flight time. Battery life is one of the biggest concerns with ultra-compact drones, and DJI seems determined to address that. The leaked label indicates the Neo 2 will come with a 1660 mAh battery, up from the Neo 1's 1435 mAh. While this may seem like a small difference, it results in a roughly 10% boost in power, translating to around 20 to 23 minutes of flight time, a big leap for a drone this size. Thanks to new battery chemistry and lightweight components, DJI could further improve flight endurance without adding much weight. There are already third-party mods featuring $2,500 mirror batteries that push flight times close to 30 minutes, hinting at what the Neo 2 might be capable of with optimized efficiency. Camera and image enhancements. If there's one area drone fans are most eager about, it's the camera upgrade. The first Neo featured a 1.2-inch 12-megapixel sensor with 4K 30 recording. Good but not great for today's standards. The Neo 2 is rumored to use a 1.3-inch 48-megapixel sensor, similar to what we've seen on the DJI Flip. This would enable 4K 60 recording at 150 Mbps, offering much better low-light performance, detail, and dynamic range. The gimbal will likely stay single-axis, keeping the drone lightweight, but DJI will probably boost electronic stabilization to deliver smoother vertical videos optimized for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Better night and indoor performance. One of the main issues with the original Neo was its poor performance in low light or indoor conditions. The sensor struggled to maintain stability when lighting was dim, sometimes causing drift or crashes. The Neo 2 might solve this with new optical and infrared sensors for better positioning, possibly supported by a bottom LED assist light, similar to what DJI includes in its Mavic and Air series. Quieter flight and improved propeller's noise was another complaint about the first version. Its small, high-speed propellers produced a sharp whine that users found annoying. However, DJI is known for refining propeller design, as seen in the Phantom and Mavic series, and the Neo 2 could introduce new multi-blade propellers for quieter operation and improved stability, especially in windy conditions. Connectivity, range, and controls. The Neo 2 is expected to retain OcuSync 4.0 transmission, giving it strong and stable connectivity. Because of the improved power management, the drone will be able to fly farther and transmit HD video over longer distances. It will remain compatible with DJI FPV Controller 3, RC Motion 3, and Goggles 3 or Goggles N3, ensuring that both casual and FPV-style pilots can enjoy it. DJI will also keep the Hey Fly voice control system and quick launch gestures, perfect for creators who want to capture hands-free selfies or cinematic clips. Stability and weight. With all these upgrades, the DJI Neo 2 will likely weigh around 170-180 grams, slightly heavier than the original's 135 grams. That's actually a good thing. The added mass helps resist wind drift and improves overall flight stability. Expect it to perform well even in level 5 winds, while still qualifying as a lightweight sub-250 drone for regulatory convenience. Price and release date. While DJI hasn't officially revealed pricing yet, rumors suggest that the drone-only version will retail for about $229 USD, while the Fly More combo with the RCN3 controller could go for around $329 USD. Insiders believe DJI is targeting a mid-November 2025 launch, aligning perfectly with holiday shopping season demand. Why the DJI Neo 2 matters. The Neo 2 isn't just another mini drone. It's DJI's statement that compact doesn't mean compromise. It's designed for travelers, vloggers, and social media creators who need cinematic quality in a pocket-sized form. With smarter sensors, better endurance, enhanced video, and quieter performance, the Neo 2 could easily become one of the best-selling mini drones of 2025. If the leaks are accurate, DJI might once again redefine what an ultra-portable drone can do, bringing professional-grade performance to a fun-sized gadget that anyone can fly. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes or shooting short-form content, the DJI Neo 2 looks like the perfect fusion of innovation, power, and portability.